If you are making changes to your WordPress site and you don't want visitors to see a broken, unfinished page, you want to put it into the maintenance mode first. WordPress doesn't have this built in, so the easiest way is to go into free plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the left side and open plugins. And we want to click on add a new plugin here. And next step is to search for the maintenance mode. And there are many of them. You can check and select one of these. So I'm gonna click, for example, this one. I want to click install now. And now you want to activate it. If you go to your plugins, here you can see the new plugin, the maintenance, and on the left is the new section. You can open this plugin, and this is simply the preview of that plugin. As I said, there are many of these plugins, so you can choose on your own. I got here this one. Here at the top you can turn off or turn on this maintenance mode. Make sure to save changes, and here you can type anything you want. So now by default there is site is undergoing maintenance, the headline, the description. You can scroll here. If you are done, make sure to save changes, and now you can simply preview your page. So the whole maintenance page is customizable, and while maintenance mode is on, you can still see and edit your site normally when you are logged in as an admin. So visitors will just see this page. Once you are done, make sure to go back to your settings and turn it off, and make sure to save changes and wait until it's saved. And now if you go back to your website, it's no longer in maintenance mode. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.